Ever pondered the origin of the universe, how it all began? The world we inhabit didn't just appear out of thin air, no. It underwent a series of fascinating events, a cosmic dance of sorts that led to the world we know today. In the beginning, there was nothing, a vast, empty space, devoid of matter and energy. But then, around 14 billion years ago, something extraordinary happened. The universe exploded into existence in an event known as the Big Bang. In less than a second, the universe expanded from a singularity, a point of infinite density, to something billions of miles across. With the Big Bang, the universe was born, filled with a hot, dense soup of particles. It was a chaotic place where particles and antiparticles collided, annihilating each other. This constant battle of creation and destruction led to a slight imbalance, leaving behind a small amount of matter that would become the building blocks of our universe. As the universe cooled and expanded, the first atoms began to form. Hydrogen and helium, the lightest elements, came into existence. These atoms started to gather together under the force of gravity, forming the first stars and galaxies. Now, let's fast forward to about 4.5 billion years ago. A cloud of gas and dust in a quiet corner of the universe collapsed under its own gravity. This led to the formation of our solar system, and at the heart of it, our own planet Earth. Over the next few billion years, Earth evolved. It cooled, solidified, and formed a crust. Water vapor condensed to form oceans. Life emerged, first as single-celled organisms, then as complex multicellular life. Plants, animals, and eventually humans came into existence. So, there you have it. The creation of the world, from the Big Bang to the rise of human civilization, is a story of cosmic proportions. It's a tale of chaos and order, destruction and creation, death and life. To summarize, the world we inhabit today is the result of billions of years of cosmic evolution. It began with the Big Bang, a singularity exploding into a universe filled with energy and matter. It continued with the formation of the first atoms, stars, and galaxies. And finally, it culminated in the creation of our planet Earth and ultimately life as we know it. Remember, the story of our world's creation is not just history. It's a reminder of our place in the cosmos, of our connection to the stars and galaxies that fill the night sky. We are, in a very real sense, made of stardust. Each one of us is a small but integral part of this grand cosmic saga.